my name is Ankita and this is Flabo Education. Here in this video, you would be learning about body language. Before moving ahead about the body language, first it is very important to know why it is essential. It is essential because you portray yourself in front of the people whom you are dealing with. Just having the knowledge is not important or is not the only factor which can give you success. How you are implementing that knowledge in front of the people or how it is getting at the receiving it is of prime importance. Body language is a journey that it starts from head till toe. Starting from the head, if I say, now how you nod your head. Let's take an example. If you're sitting in an interview or you're giving a presentation in front of 100 or 500 people, how you're moving your head, which direction it is moving, whether you are just heading towards the sky or you're peeping towards down. It is very important that your nodding of head matches with whatever information you're delivering to that particular person. Second comes the eye contact. This is of prime importance. This is saying that you should always look in the eyes of the person or to the interviewer. That's wrong. That's a wrong attitude. Why? Because if you will continuously look into the eyes of the recipient, this will make that person uncomfortable. Hence, here we come up with a ratio of 80 to 20%. 80% is the direct eye contact that is needed with the person whom you're speaking to. For example, we are in an interview desk and 4 members are sitting in the panel. The person whosoever is asking you the question, you should start answering by looking towards that person and gradually moving to the other members of the panel. Also, if you're talking to one interviewer, you should not constantly look into his eyes. Talk, you can move your eyes here and there, and then again you can start having the conversation with a proper eye contact. Then comes the smile. This is a very important aspect because people think that continuous slight smile is very important. Just imagine me talking to you like this all the time. This is so awkward. Hence, a confident, relevant, poised smile is very important for any kind of presentation. Then comes the hand movement. This is the second prime important thing that should be taken into consideration. Talking like this, like for example, mushing your hands, crossing your hand, crossing your arms, putting it in your pocket, all these movements is a complete no. Why? Because this shows that you are quite underconfident and very nervous. Hence we say that a closed body is a sign of nervousness and a relaxed and a confident body is something that shows that you know what you are talking about and you know how to deliver your intelligence. Hence, that hand movement, that body movement is very important. Body movement as is the next thing. How you are, like for example, you are on a stage delivering a PPT or a presentation to a set of people. How you are moving your entire body is very important. Whether you are showing your back to the people, it's a complete no. You should not show your back to the audience. Why? Because this shows that there is a great disconnect between you and the recipient. Then comes the foot look. This is a very minute thing but is taken into consideration that foot should always be parallel to your entire body. For example, if this is your foot, it should not be like this or like this. It should be straight parallel to your body. Now, talking about the space. For example, you're sitting in a chair, right? Are you very much comfortable sitting in that chair or you're closing your body like this? In both the aspects, this shows your overconfidence and your underconfidence. Hence, a proper utilization of the chair or any space that you're having is very much important. We say that body movement is the superpower and you are having that power. Just having knowledge, just having intelligence is not important. How you're delivering that information, how you're delivering your knowledge, how you're delivering your intelligence is something that is going to give you the great success, right? It is always said that posture breeds success and gestures strengthens your message. Hence, keep these two things in mind. Make that journey of head to toe quite relevant, poised, confident, and you're good to go. This was the video about body language. I hope it will be of great benefit to you, right? Next time, we would come up with some other relevant topics. Till then, thank you.